Are you ready to take your SOLIDWORKS skills to the next level? Introducing the SOLIDWORKS project-based ebook video courses bundle, a complete learning package for aspiring designers, engineers, and professionals. Learn by doing. This bundle features detailed ebooks and step-by-step video courses covering product design, assemblies, and sheet metal modeling. What's inside? 8 SOLIDWORKS ebook projects, from product design to complex assemblies like ball bearings, jet engines, octocopters, ball valves, arbor press, and more. 2 in-depth video courses, master part modeling, assemblies, technical drawings, and sheet metal design. Perfect for students, engineers, and designers looking for hands-on projects to enhance their skills and build a professional portfolio. Imagine walking into your next job interview with a portfolio full of real-world SOLIDWORKS designs, confidently showcasing your skills and proving your ability to tackle any project or prototype. Don't just learn SOLIDWORKS, master it with real-world projects. Get instant access to the SOLIDWORKS project-based ebook video courses bundle today.